This is financial advisor Patrick Monroe talking about how to rebuild credit. Credit is a privilege, and many times people will get bumps in the road due to things that have happened to them in life, such as layoffs, divorce, various other things, and their credit will fall into disarray. There are ways to rebuild credit once you've had these problems, and the best way is to address credit cards that would start off where you put money into the credit card company and pay a fee to have your own asset-based credit card. Once you do this and the credit card company sees that you're paying your bill on time, they'll put their own money behind yours, and pretty soon you'll start to receive new credit card offers. Then you'll be able to apply for installment loans and various other forms of credit like you used to have. This takes time to rebuild, much like if your house was knocked over by a big storm. But if you're mindful in this second chance that you have received, you too can be back on your feet in a period of time and be back where you need to be to have your credit. It's called Rebuilding Credit, and I'm financial advisor Patrick Monroe.